Now you could take a spoon and we're going to gently ladle the water, hot water, as you can see. We'll put it on the top. Very nice, very nice. I think we're about ready to pull them now. Okay. I have my toast heating the microwave to keep it warm, yes. And now I will put the plate over here. And, okay, now we will gently go into the water and pull the egg out. Oh, c'est bien, look, it's perfect, c'est bon, beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to lay this right on the top of the toast. Oh, it's perfect. And you see how perfect it is? Now, the second one. Oh, pull my special poached egg remover, or how you say in English. Like a slotted spoon will work, but this is much better. Now, you see this? Look at this. Perfect. See how it's jiggling? It is perfectly cooked. Well, thank you for coming. Now, all we need to do is add our turkey sausage. Today we have no pomme de terre. Remember, we're trying to cut calories. So we have turkey sausage, 2 poached eggs, and the toast is 100% grain, no flour. Beautiful. Anyway, thank you so much for coming to our show. And next time, it will be Lucien. Lucien, what are you going to prepare next time? Oh, it's a surprise.